Welcome to VRO Agency 360-degree Page Builder tutorial. To access a page builder, we have to click on Page Builder menu item right here. So it brings us to our Page Builder page. At this page, you have the option to create right from scratch or to create from templates. Of course, within the templates, you have several done-for-you collections that makes life a lot easier for you. So we'll just hit on create from templates. So as we keep scrolling down, we get to find a whole lot of done for you collections here with different niches: internet marketing, diabetes. You have the thank you page, set up the muscle building, niche, weight loss. All of these you can find following whatever options you want to do. And as you keep scrolling down, you get to see more collections, root thank you page, and sales pages, confirmation pages. Whatever you can ever imagine, you'll find several hundreds of collections of done for you right inside here, which really makes life a lot easier. So once you go down here, you can go select any of the categories that does fit what you want to do. So let's say we want to go with weight loss. All you have to do, come to the top right corner here, you see an option to preview your design. You also see an option to use. So hit on preview, open that in a new tab, and we'll then come back to hit on use. So coming over to preview, this is how it looks like. You say the free report for keys to burn fat fast. All of these already pre-done for you. So once you get this, you can then come over to hit on the menu icon and hit on use, and this is going to bring the entire done for you into the builder system where you could further modify it. So on the builder system here, whatever you want to do, you could of course select it, and it brings out the corresponding element for you to make your designs however you want to do it. So you can always click to edit it, and inline it does edit right there. So whichever of the elements you want to pick, you can of course do so. Then use the corresponding property elements and tools to make out your design. So you can pick any of it here and work with it. So whenever a property shows like this, you can always click on it, and it pops up how you want to put your image. Do you want to use characters? Do you want to use buttons and insert a button there? Or do you want to use other images to insert? Do you want to upload an image of your own so it becomes a URL? You could also walk down to pad your stylings. Once you're done, you go apply it up. So those are the benefit that comes with the builder. You can of course always change these by selecting any of the images right there or item on your page. So right here you can also do position anything you want to position, moving items from one location to another. You can also close this, switch between mobile view, how it will look like, checking your designs, and how it will look like when on desktop. Right, then at the top right here you have the option to save your design after you're done with all of your modifications. You can also hit here to preview it. You also see the option to build from scratch, which will give you elements with which you can use to build from scratch. Assuming I want to add much content, I can drag these and add this here. This gives me an empty space, which gives me provision to add more elements. So if I do hit on it, you get to see some components I can further add. I have several components here. I could add a text component, I could add an image or a video component. As you get on it, you could also add a listing component or a call to action component, which will give you a buy now button or whatever you want to use. So if you do pick it up, you can of course drag and drop it, and it does insert it there. Once it does insert it there, you can then pick it and do your configuration, and you can then have your linking, what action you should take, what URL you should go to, and if you have a blog, should it go to a sign up blog or goes to the next text. So you can always come over to use this from scratch tool element here and add whatever module you want to add to your design, and of course apply your styling or you could also use the template functions that you have here, which gives you content, image blog. If you're looking at content, it gives you pre-designed contents you could use. If you want to add some more content to this, you can of course come pick it up and drop some more content there. Let's say I want to drop this, I can just come below, drop it in there. It's going to populate the new content for us, for you to use for your design. So if you scroll down, you see we have a new content right there, and this you can of course add your own image. I can also come up to say I want to remove this early blog I have here, so I can just delete this and it removes that blog, and close this up to give me a totally new design of page, which I can go ahead to get things done nicely. If I want to also change this from being an image, I could delete this out and it takes out that blog. I can of course come over to build from, rather come over to content, close this up, pick up a video and see what element I could drop there. If I'm looking at this, so I can get this up in there, or we could get something else that we want to nicely. Okay, I think I like this, so I could get this in here. So we have a new video blog which I'm adding in there. So that's how you can go around playing with the builder components. Once this is fully populated, we're going to have a new blog which will show our video, right? So we have it right there. So we're having a video showing here, and you have get started button, which you can always come to modify all the stylings, set the links, how you want it, the action it should take, and of course set your image if you want to change the image or pick another from the library. So that's how you can go about modifying your page. Once you're done with modifying, you can come save it up, and once you have it saved, you can go to preview it. You can of course go to close it. So let's preview it. So now preview, right there we have a new design collection, just like you can see it right here. So when back after saving your new design, you can always come back to see the several options. When you take your cursor down to the three-dotted menu option drop down, you can of course edit it, you can preview it, you could also create a subdomain, as you can see right there. You can also come over to add it to a custom domain. You could duplicate this design to create another landing page and of course build upon it. So that's how you can go about using our page builder. Thank you.